All right, let's look at how to make a super effective 80-20 checklist that's going to make you look fantastic. It's going to solve a big problem for you because it's going to take seemingly unrelated data and make it graphically impactful so you'll be able to see immediately where the biggest problems are, and you solve those problems first. If you solved 20% of the big problems, you'll solve 80% of the causes for those problems. All right, so now here we go. We went through and we have we gave you an example here for a credit union. And that credit union example, we have 16 comments. Now, there were many more at this credit union, but we're just giving you 16 as an example here. And what we're going to do is we read through them and we saw some sort of super variables there that are going to enable us to make this checklist. So one of the things that we saw was peak hours. So we're going to write peak hours. In other words, there was a lot of problems associated with peak hours. And so let's just take a look here. Let's read, Amanda, please read me the comment card number 1, or comment number 1.
I couldn't find parking. The lot was full.
I couldn't find parking. The lot was full. Well, guess what? That's a peak hour problem. The lot was full because we don't have enough parking accommodation. And see, you might think of that as a parking lot problem, but it's not. It's a peak hour problem. All right. What's number 2, Amanda?
When I got here, the lines were so long, I had to go back to work and didn't have time to wait. I only get an hour for lunch.
Yeah. There again, peak problem. So we make another mark there. All right. What's the next one?
I tried to pay my loan online, and the site was down.
Yeah, the website problem. Now, we know that website is a super variable, so let's write website there, and we'll put a check next to that. So you see how easy this is, folks? And there is no right or wrong here. You're just dividing these things into categories, and a little bit later, we're going to show you how to put them into an Excel spreadsheet, or if you use an Apple product, a numbers spreadsheet. Hit a button and turn it into a great looking bar chart that you can use and do some great things with.